Hello, in today's video, I'll show you how to fix if your map keeps disappearing on your ROBOROCK Saros Z70. That is very likely due to some settings being incorrectly set. For that, you can click on the map editing button, then click on three dots in the top right corner and click on the manage maps button. Make sure that map saving is enabled and that the home layout is set correctly. If you are just using one level, then that's what you should set. But if you're using multi-floor, if you want to use multi-floor mode, so you manually move your robot between different floors and it cleans them and it recognizes which floor it's on and stuff like that, then you have to set it to multi-floor. Also, you may want to back up your map by clicking on three dots in the top right corner while you're in a map. Click on backup, and now it's backed up, so it won't disappear. And if that didn't help, you may want to factory reset your robot, and then before mapping it after connecting it to the app, you may want to make sure that the settings that I've shown you are first set correctly before you start mapping. To factory reset, feel free to check out another video on our channel on how to factory reset this robot. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.